Well, each year during the summer months, you hear meteorologists refer to hurricanes and tropical storms by names. But you may be wondering, where do these names come from and how are they decided? Meteorologist Trevor Birchett explains in this week's Weather Wise.
Over the past few weeks, you've already heard us talk about tropical storms Arthur, Bertha, and Cristobal. But where do these names come from and how are they picked and when did they get retired? These hurricane names are actually decided by a committee that is part of the World Meteorological Organization. In the Atlantic Ocean, there are actually 6 lists of hurricane names, that's it, and they're repeated every 6 years. For instance, in 2014, we had Tropical Storm Dolly, and that name is on the list again this year. However, if the tropical storm or hurricane is notable enough or memorable enough, the name will be retired to prevent confusion. In this case, the committee gets together after the end of the hurricane season to decide what name should go in its place. For example, after the 2018 hurricane season, the name Michael was replaced with Milton. The names always alternate between masculine and feminine, with even years starting with a masculine name. Another fun fact about hurricane names is that there will never be a Q, U, X, Y, or Z name because there aren't enough names that begin with those letters. If there are ever more than 21 named storms and we run out of names, as was the case in 2005, we will resort to the Greek alphabet and begin with Tropical Storm or Hurricane Alpha. To see the full list of names and to check if your name is on the list, you can visit the National Hurricane Center's website. And remember, if you have questions about the weather, let us know by sending us a message on Facebook, Twitter, or our email address. For now, I'm meteorologist Trevor Birchett.
Weather Wise is brought to you by 4 County Electric Power Association.